Hello everyone, so this is the second part of our video of how to create a space combat game. So in our last video we had completed how to create the overall design of the app, and in today's video we will complete how to design the play arena as well as how to code some of the basic screens. And in our next video we will see how to code for the main play arena. So first of all we need to design the screen. So I'll just click on canvas 1 and set the background color to none. Now I'm going to drawing an animation and I will drag one image sprite, and the image sprite I'll change the picture to fighter plane. Oh, so we have not added that picture. So we'll upload the file. So airplane, we'll just open this. So here I have just added one picture. So you can see that it's too huge. So what I'll do is I'll just change the height and width of this. So the airplane height I'll give it as 100 pixels, and width I'll change it to 110 pixels. So now you can see the size is small and it's perfect. So if you want you can change this. I have given an approximate value, and now I'll just change the x and y position. So as we all know that x is the horizontal values and y is the vertical values. So x we will keep it as 91 around, and y we will keep it as 367. So I had already configured these x and y coordinates so that it's easy to take all the image sprites at the proper position. Now I will drag 4 more image sprites. Now first of all, the image sprite in which I had added the airplane, I'll rename it as fighter plane. And now I will add the image of fireball here. So I'll upload that file. And now I will change the height and width to 30 pixels. The same thing I'll do with the other sprites, other two sprites. So I have given the 30 pixels value here, the size values, and now I will give it the x and y coordinate. So the first one I'll give here 133 as x, and y I will give it as 95. Similarly for the next I'll take it as 132x, and y position I'll take it as 167. And for the third one, I'll take the x position as 130 and y position I'll take it as 225. Fine. Now we'll add the final main UFO here. So I'll upload the file. And here for the UFO we will give the height and width as 50 pixels each. And the X and Y coordinate for the UFO is 143x and Y will be 9. Fine. So now I'll just give this UFO heading as -90. So it is heading is basically in which direction the UFO is going to move. Now I'll just rename all these sprites. So we are done with the designing part and now we'll move to the coding part. But before that I'll just rename the buttons as well. So now I'll go to the block section. But first we'll just code for the main screen one. This screen we'll code for this. And for the statistics and rules, we can create rules whatever you want, like you can create your own PDF and you can add it, or you can create your own video explaining the game, how to play it. So in rules you can add that. You can create it on your custom choice. But for statistics, I'll just create a screen. So now here I'll add one label. Three labels I'll add here. Second label I'll remove the text. First label I'll give here text as your last game score was. Text alignment will be center. Then it is going to be bold, font size something around 25, and the width is full parent. And this text will just give it as none, means we will not add any text here in label 3. Font will be bold, font will be italic, and font size will take it as 19. And font typeface will be serif. Text alignment center and width as fill parent. So we have designed the screen as well. Now let us start with the coding part. So I'll go to screen 1 and now let us code for this. But before that I'll just upload one sound and audio file for this. So here you can add any audio file which you want for a background song to make your app look much more attractive. So here, since the audio file was too large, I haven't uploaded that. But you can upload that. I'll even show you how to code for that if you are adding any audio file. So now let us go to the code area and now we'll code for this. So whenever button 1 is clicked, we have to call player 1 and we have to stop playing the music. First of all, because we are going to the play area, means we want to play the game. So in that case we will not play the sound in case the button 1 is clicked. If button 2 is clicked, even then we have to call player 1 and stop playing the sound. Same goes with button 3. And when the screen is initialized, means whenever someone opens the screen, then we will call the player 1 and we will start playing the sound. Now, when someone clicks on button 1, we will open another screen. So here we can see splash screen that we have to open. So I'll just type here double quote and the name of the screen. So here the S is small, yeah. Okay. Now whenever button 2 is clicked, so for rules you can create your screen. So I'll not show it for button 2. Yeah, but for button 3, whenever button 3 is clicked, you can open statistics screen. So make sure your spelling is right. Okay, now I'll just go to splash screen and now we will code for this splash screen. So for coding the splash screen and the main play arena, we will see it in the next video in the part 3 of our video for creating the game. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you liked it, please subscribe my channel, like this video, share this video with your friends and all. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me on comment. For the assets and part 1 video, you can find it in the description. Thank you.